Alright, this the Caldwell cooking show again. Show y'all how to make some good old sweet tea, aka Tyrone Tea, aka black people tea. I like to do mine like this. We're gonna get the coffee pot kettle boiling. There we go. Alright, we got the coffee pot boiling. We're gonna take it off. We don't need the heat no more. We're gonna take the lid off. Be careful when you take the lid off. And we're gonna get us 4 tea bags per coffee pot. 4 tea bags per coffee pot. Put them on in there. Let them stew. We're gonna let them steep. You ain't got to sit here and play with it like this. Got your 4 tea bags nice and wet. Put the tea bag handles onto the side. Let it steep for about, I like to do mine about 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna let it steep right here. Then we're gonna come back and show you the ingredients. Alright, we still stooping, whatever y'all call it. Now I use a variation of, I use Louisiana iced tea right here. This is what we use. I also use Lipton. Let me use some sugar right here. Some raw sugar. You can use what you want. That's 2.5 cups. Now while that's stooping, whatever, we're gonna go ahead and mix our sugar water up. We're gonna go ahead and put water in here. We're gonna put that's cold water. We're gonna put the hot water in later. Put 2.5 cups of sugar in there. Ooh, that's a lot of sugar. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. This sugar water. Ooh, that thing's so thick I couldn't even move the spoon just now. Now look, if you health conscious, if you trying to live for a long time, if you care about your organs and stuff like that, this ain't for you. You need to go ahead and drink some Timmy tea, not no Tyrone tea. This tea here is only for people who don't give a shit about life. They say the hell with health and organs, but it's good. Ooh, this tea good. You ain't got to do all that lemon and cream and all that. 2.5 cups, and I put the cold water and sugar. I mix it, and then I'm gonna put the hot water on top of it. See, we mix that cold water and sugar up first to try to get it broken down. Because when we put that hot water on top of it, that sugar, them crystals gonna go right away. And plus, I don't like putting hot water straight into no plastic container. See, this cold water gonna cool the hot water down, keep all them chemicals away, baby. See, we finna make a mess now. Now we finna get that juice off them tea bag there. Ooh, I can't get it out. Oh, I done broke one of them, y'all. One of them done broke down in there. Now make sure you put this lid back on here, because when you go pour that thing, you can feel it on your knuckles. Now we're going to get ready to pour this hot tea. We're going to pour it in there with our sugar water. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. We might have to add a little bit of water to it to fill it up to the top. Look at that. Nice tea there. That's some good Tyrone tea. When you go to the store, ask them for Tyrone tea. We're going to top it off a little bit. Not too much. And there you go. We're going to put that in the refrigerator. Let that thing chill. And like I say, Tyrone tea. Tyrone tea is black people tea. Sweet as hell. Kill you. Timmy tea is tea without no sugar. Good and healthy for you. You don't want no Timmy tea.